Hey everybody, welcome to Character Modeling into week 5. That's correct. Thought I'd give you guys a heads up, let you know what's going on and everything, and figure out just kind of a review of what's happening. So we're just finishing week 5. You have no discussion this week. You just need to focus on the Mudbox assignment and then also the second pass of your character body. That's really the important thing about that. I've finished grading a lot of your stuff. I'm going to go through some other things and check some feedback points, but that's pretty much it. Don't worry about discussion. You just got your Mudbox assignment and then also your second pass, your character body. Now keep in mind, I want you to get caught up as best as possible because next week we're going to start seeing a lot of weeks where you're turning in 2 project assignments and then you also have a discussion. So we're going to start ramping up a little bit more. So keep that in mind. Other than that, that's all I got. So I just want to give you a heads up, let you know what's coming around, and then that's all it is. So everything's due on Sunday this week. Please make sure to have them turned in on Sunday. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. But other than that, take it easy, be having fun, have a great weekend, and give me a holler if you need me. All right, take it easy. Bye-bye.